Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to replace the grill on a Chrysler 300. First, gather your tools. You'll need a flathead screwdriver, a ratchet with a 10mm socket, and a trim removal tool. Make sure you have your new grill ready to go. Working in a well-lit area will make the process much smoother and help you see all the small clips and screws clearly. Let's get started. Now let's remove the old grill. Pop open your hood and you'll see several plastic clips along the top edge of the grill. Use your trim removal tool to carefully pry these out. There are usually 4 to 6 clips. Next, look for any 10mm bolts that might be securing the grill. Unscrew these gently. Take your time to avoid damaging the surrounding trim or paint. The grill should now be loose. With the clips and bolts removed, you can now gently pull the old grill away from the bumper. Be mindful of any wiring connected to fog lights or sensors and carefully disconnect them. Once the old grill is off, take a moment to clean the area. Remove any dirt, debris, or old adhesive. A clean surface ensures a better fit and appearance for your new grill. This step is crucial for a professional finish. It's time to install your shiny new grill. First, reattach any wiring for fog lights or sensors to the new grill. Carefully align the new grill with the mounting points on your Chrysler 300. Push it firmly into place, ensuring all tabs and clips engage properly. Reinsert the 10mm bolts and secure all the plastic clips you removed earlier. Double-check that everything is snug and secure. For more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, see the link in the description below. Close your hood and admire your updated look.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.